Hurricane Felix, the true hurricane story. Hurricane Felix was a Category 5 hurricane that struck Central America in 2007. It started on September the 4th. Felix made landfall on the border of Honduras and Nicaragua. The red is Mosquito Coast, is what it is always called. This is a movie of Nicaragua after the storm hit. The storm started on August the 31st. A tropical wave moved off the coast of Africa on August the 24th. By August the 25th, satellite imagery indicated a cyclonic turning just north of the intertropical convergence zone. On August 30, the wave became better defined, with more representation of the cyclonic turning into the low. Convection increased early the next day. The National Hurricane Center initiated advisories on Tropical Depression 6 at 2100 UTC on August the 31st. While it was located 180 miles east-southeast of southern Windward Islands. Before becoming a tropical cyclone, the depression was located to the south of Strong Ridge, resulting in a west-northwest motion. Upon Felix's becoming a tropical cyclone, a tropical storm warning was issued for St. Vincent and Grenadines, Tobago and Grenada, and its dependencies. A tropical storm was also issued for northeastern Venezuela coast from Cumana to Pedernales, including Isla Margarita as well as the ABC Islands. The Emergency Management Agency of Tobago was fully activated, with 79 shelters opened on the island, coinciding with the upgrade of Felix with tropical storm status. The watch for the ABC Islands was upgraded to tropical storm warning. A hurricane watch was added to the islands on early September 2nd. At 3 a.m. on September 3rd, the government of Honduras issued a hurricane watch from El Limon to the Honduras-Nicaragua border, which was upgraded to a hurricane warning 6 hours later. At the same time, a hurricane watch was extended westward to the Honduras-Guatemala border. And early on September the 4th, a tropical storm warning was put in place for the same region. There were 133 people who were reported dead. At least 130 of them were in Nicaragua. 40,000 people were affected and 9,000 houses were destroyed. There was $52 million damage, 2009 US dollars. The areas affected were Southern Windward Islands, ABC Islands, Venezuela, Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador, and Guatemala.